I'm Mike Mastriani. I'm the Director of the Illinois Small Business Development Center at the Rockford Chamber of Commerce. Our highlight for success today is on Eva Kretschmar. Eva was able to purchase RBG Janitorial, a business that she secured, and she received help from the SBDC in management, social media and marketing, and financial advice to help secure a loan, which allowed her to purchase that business and to get a new facility recently. Let's look at Edward and her and talk about this.
Hi, I'm Eva Caceres, your business consultant at the Rockford SBDC. Today we want to spotlight the success of Eva and RBG Janitorial. How are you, Eva?
I'm very well, Edward. How are you?
I'm doing well. I know that it's a kind of new situation, but you say something true before I start the conversation, that we have to lead by example. But you know, we want to talk about a little bit about how you guys face all this COVID-19 situation, you know, with your employees. What are the challenges that you face? I know that, congratulations, I know that also you got a new place for your business. So there is quite a few things to talk about it. So how do things went?
Well, we're janitors, and so we are very busy right now. Several of our customers have scaled down their hours. They still want the work though, and there's a great deal of additional services that need to be provided. There are certifications that we've got every single employee of ours certified. That was a big deal. A lot of work on everybody's part. And even the certification authorities had to create certifications for the new pandemic situation. Yes, we do have a new building now. We've had it since the end of last year. That too is, you know, wearing masks and practicing social distancing within our own building, but it's important.
Right, and especially because you are in contact with customers, you know, and they trust precisely in your expertise about face this situation.
That's very true. I've said it before. There's a lot of fear. There's a lot of confusion, and a lot of what we do when we get phone calls is helping people to weed through the rumors. And please don't believe rumors. Go to the CDC, go to OSHA. They're doing an outstanding job of providing current and easy to understand information about what to do for any situation you could encounter.
Great. So did you get any help from the government? I mean, did you receive any SBA loan, something that...
Yes, we did. Through the SBA, we received initially the PPP, the Payroll Protection Program. We were in the first round of approved companies, and that helped us to maintain any employees whose work may have slowed down. We maintain them at the same income levels, and so that they're still on staff, they're ready to work, and they can maintain their certifications. Then we also received the EIDL loan, the Economic Injury
Disaster Loan. Yeah, I remember. We were in communication for that reason.
Yes, that was kind of a surprise. And that gave us capital. The loan itself, the wording of the contract was very clear about what they were planning on this money to be used for. They said, if you could, please buy American, and so it was designed to keep jobs, and that's what we've been doing with it as well. And now it's definitely coming to fruition as the shelter in place is starting to let up, and we're in phase 4 here in Rockford. Then we can start training people in person again.
So the business is still growing?
The business is exploding. It has been since the start, and yeah.
Yes, I understand. So if I ask you a piece of advice, because I remember how you start your business, now how you were growing, you know, get your own place, and now get more contracts. Based on all these things and the new reality that we are facing, which could be a piece of advice from you to any entrepreneur that, you know, in generally thinking about this new reality, you know, like think out the box. What kind of things, you know, help you to navigate through this aftermath, you know, after COVID-19?
For us in particular, and I would assume for most businesses, digital workplace is incredibly important. We're able to communicate with our employees. We have checklists of all tasks to be performed, and they can go on their phones, in their apps, they can take pictures if they have questions or comments to document the work we're doing. We can then take those checklists as they're completed with date and time stamp and send them to the client so they have a physical proof of compliance. And with communications, with the training, with telephone conversations, we're using digital meetings, digital training.
So you were very proactive and using all the digital tools available to be in touch with your clients and spread the word about how...
Most definitely.
Good, good. Eva, thank you very much for the time that you dedicate us. We wish you the best. And thank you very much once again. For you guys, see you the next time.